What's up everyone, it's Yasaman and today we are going to try some new food in Ardabil. So if you are interested in Persian food culture or tasting new food, today's vlog might be interesting for you. So let's go and try some new food.
Əti dövmüşəm ki, o qabda su da qoymuşam belə. Zəfəndilər su da almışam. Bu bir işlərə dilə salsın. Biz ki dilə salarıq.
سلام.
خیلی خوش اومدین به شهر ما. شهر توریستی ما، شهر اردبیل. دیدم که خوش اومدی به مغازه تات فست فود کباب ترکی. بنده هم سرآشپز نوید.
مرسی.
خیلی هم خوش اومدید.
خیلی متشکرم. خیلی ممنون. Hey guys, we are about to eat dinner at a nice restaurant. I decided to eat Doner Garden for dinner, and the restaurant owner that you're seeing in this video is really nice. This is my sandwich, and it consists of some combination of meat and chicken. So now we are about to have dinner at Farzad restaurant. Probably I'm going to eat Dizi, yeah, and it's one of the delicious traditional meal in Iran. And let's go and eat lunch. Dizi is one of the delicious and my favorite Persian meals in Iran. It is consists of some meat, some beans, potato, and some fat. It's really delicious, and Persian people usually eat that with bread. They usually do something, we call it in Persian tilit kardan. It means that we slice bread into small pieces, and as I was telling you, we slice bread into small pieces and put them into the Dizi, and we call it tilit kardan, and we eat it after that. You can eat Dizi with vegetables and yogurt and onion. It's really makes the taste really delicious, and it's a really nutrient meal for Persian people, and it's a traditional dish. So as you can see, it serves in special dishes with sangak bread. We call it sangak bread, and it's really amazing. And you're supposed to put the water of this food to this bowl, and then tilit the sangak in it. And after that, you should eat the rest of it with bread. We call it kushkubide. So let's eat it. It looks really delicious and oily. So I ate lunch. I ate Dizi. It was really delicious. If you visit Iran in the future, try Dizi once. But and a special note is that Dizi in Ardabil are not as delicious as they are in Tehran or other cities. Most of the things you should try in Ardabil is their meats. For example, their kebabs, bonab, chenje, and other types of kebab. Our tour guide chooses a restaurant named Gazmach, which is in Persian. In Persian, no, in Turkish, it means tahdig, I think. And it's a really cool name for a restaurant. And I ordered one of the traditional dishes named Basterma Gusht, and I have no idea which this dish consists of, but it's a very popular traditional dish in Tabriz, and I wanted to test it. Maybe I don't like it. This is what I told you. Its name is Basterma, and it's a combination of rice and meat, and it looks really delicious. The price of this delicious food is about 260 tomans, which is about, I think, $4 or $5. It's really delicious. Hope you could taste it. Something challenging between taking videos happened to me, and that's why Persian people are not really helpful in getting movies or something else. And when you're sitting in a restaurant and you start taking movie, other tables look like weird, and they are like, why are you taking pictures of us? And they don't understand that I'm trying to show my culture and my food culture and my people to the foreigner tourists, so they can see how beautiful my country is and how delicious our meals are. And it's a really difficult part of my job in YouTube, creating videos, and I just wanted you to know that. So we ordered Ashe Dough, which is a traditional dish in Ardabil, and I heard that this is a really delicious meal. This meal is so delicious. It is contains of some kind of yogurt, some rice and beans, and some vegetables. But it tastes incredible. It is kind of soup, but with vegetables, and it's really good for your health. Uh, and it's one of the best things I have ever tried in Iran. It's almost 3 p.m. and I'm starving because I haven't eaten anything since the breakfast this morning, and I'm starving now. And I told you that when I'm hungry, I turned into a really bad and mean person. And especially when I'm hungry and I'm on a travel with other people, and I'm trying hard to be nice to my friends, but in fact, I'm really annoyed and angry, and I'm waiting for my food because I'm starving. I ordered Kabab Barg Mahalli, and I have no idea what this kebab consists of because the price is low compared to other foods, and I don't know what it is. I hope that it isn't like a kind of kebab kubide, because I hate kebab kubide. Uh, I will show you my food.